So let's have a look. Challenge number 49. This is, I think it's a data passing challenge. Yeah. What we have is we have product, product market type, the three columns, but the header is on top. It's kind of like an Excel format. So you have a certain combination on top of it. The first column is a data column. Everything else is the data in the column format. So clearly, they're probably the same type of metrics. Then you want to pivot your data. As for the output, we can see we have our pivoted data. We're looking for the date, then a certain combination of the values. So value should be one column rather than distinct columns. Okay, let's see how we handle it. If we just look F1, 2, 3, blah, blah. So for example, F2, usually you want to check does those header appear in the middle part. So we may have a different input data that's union together. Among those things, in the very end, you may not be able to see. That's not the best choice. Let me move a bit to that. So we can see market product type appear only once. So that's probably indicates the very top three rows as a header. Otherwise, there's no repeat in the dataset. If there's repeat, then you got to think, okay, where do we draw some kind of condition to pass out different batch of data? If it's just a header, then it's too bad. We can probably use sample to handle. We're going to handle data on its own. We're going to handle, the headers on its own, then the data on its own. The first three rows should be a header. Then we can just duplicate, skip the first three rows for the rest of data. Let's have a look. Now, because what we have is that's a blank space. I probably need to trim that. So on the top, we have a generic F1, 2, 3, 4. That's at least good. That's something we can use to keep track of data. The bottom one is F1, 2, 3, 4. So that's not too bad. What we have at the row level, I think, from the look of it, for F1 column, everyone appears as 1. So that indicates the date will make almost like a record ID for the row level to keep track things. That's good. I mean, for the bottom ones, we can probably just do a pivoting. So we're going to write too long, so transpose. F1 is a fixed column, everything else is a data column, so we can pick that. That should be easy. Then for this one, we're going to pivot everything else. Do we need a column 1 to pivot? Yeah, I think we'll probably need that. So still similar idea from wide to long format. Let's see group F1, what we get. So we want market product type. So we want the market product type, market product type. So pivot down, we'll probably want to pivot to white to get our combination back out of it. The first one, I don't think we'll probably need a F1 to group by column. Let me just apply format to get rid of treat this leading space first. So string value, what do you want to get? We want to get rid of white space. That should handle that. So we want a market product type. We need in that order. Market product type. So if we pivot, let's give it a test. So it's long format, long to wide. So F column, I think F column is the one name column one group by. So the header probably is F1. The value should be value. Probably let's second cut. Yeah. So we'll product A's, B's, market, product type. Okay. Yeah. That's the header. We have joined in the previous column F2 up to F5. That should be able to do the corresponding joins for the two data set. Let's do a join. So the left hand side is a name column. The right hand side is a name column. That's match up. That's fine. The name column probably don't need anymore after join. So my product. So we F1 is what we want. The date column. So we can just rename this date. So F1 is date column. Product type. Value, they call it value. Let's see. So we have 1008 rows. That's a fun answer. 1008 rows. Yeah, that's matches that. Looks good. So this challenge itself isn't too bad. It doesn't involve a bit pivoting. The trickiest part is the header part. So for the header, I think it does take a bit of trial and error to figure out what's the correct way to arrange those. But every time you see something you want to in the matrix transformation, you want to transpose your data, pretty much cross tab transpose. It's just next to each other. Pivot wide, pivot long, or pivot long, pivot wide to get the desired form. It take a while, probably find out the correct group pattern. But once you did it, then it's not too bad to do next. Okay, thanks for watching.